you are well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if you are new watching this video, you guys know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. We are on our way to 9.6 thousand of you. We are this close. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do. As you guys can see by the title, today's video we are unboxing the final Lush kitchen box for 2021. I have it right here. I am so excited. I've not seen any spoilers. Again, I've been so well behaved. I've stayed off Instagram, off YouTube, off everything, just so I don't spoil this. So I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you aren't already subscribed to the kitchen box, if you love Lush, you love a surprise, I'd recommend it. This is honestly one of my favourite videos to film because I absolutely love unboxing stuff that I have no idea what's in there. So yeah, very, very excited. I hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. So this is the inside of the box for this month. It's got my name on it. So cute. I always love a personal touch like that. And also they've got like a game style situation where you have to get the clues for this answer and then you get to go to a secret product page. So exciting, love that. So let's dive in, let's go. So the first thing in the box is this. This says find your inner peace, Lush on the front, a QR code on the back. It's 100% organic cotton drawstring bag, 100% recyclable jigsaw. Shut up. Is there a jigsaw puzzle in here? Oh my god, how fun. Wow, I love that. That's so different and fun. Oh my goodness. Although, is it a double-sided jigsaw? Because that is pretty much going to be near enough impossible. But I have a bag with jigsaw pieces in. I love that. That's such a good idea. Wow. I am not going to lie, when I felt this, I thought, oh, is it like a bag of like bath salts or something? But it's not. It's a jigsaw puzzle. I love it. That's so different. And I love this bag as well. 10 out of 10 Lush, honestly. Absolutely obsessed with that. So next in the box we have the Bucks Fizz body conditioner. Now this was released I believe only a couple years ago, so I'm not overly like excited about it because I have had this before quite recently actually, but this is a beautiful body conditioner. It smells like fizzy orange, like sour sharp orange. It's beautiful. It's the same scent I believe as like the Celebrate scent, so Golden Wonder, Celebrate body lotion, that kind of vibe. Smells amazing. Oh, so delicious. And in terms of ingredients, this one has vine leaf infusion, almond oil, orange blossom water, pink grapefruit infusion, hard word to say, organic jojoba oil, coconut oil, melon oil, orange oil, lime oil, loads of beautiful things. Oh, fresh orange juice as well. Absolutely love this. I'm really excited to have another pot of this because it is a really beautiful product and I'm just very excited. So yeah, love that. Next up we have, oh okay, so this is the perfume to go with the other perfumes that we've got recently, and again I have no idea what this is. I really hope it's a Christmas fragrance like Yognog or something, but I'll be happy with anything, I'm sure. So let's give it a go and see. Okay, it's not, but it is a really beautiful fragrance. This is the Sultana fragrance, and I'm really, really excited to give this a smell. Oh, so strong. Oh, that's beautiful. I love this smell. It's like blackberry bath bomb vibes. Absolutely stunning. Love that. Something different again. I just really like these little perfume ideas. I think this is just so fun and it definitely makes people want to stick around for the next few boxes. So love that. Good job, Lush. So next in the box we have the Coconut Snow body lotion. These labels are definitely Christmas vibes. They've got snowflakes on. I absolutely love that. So cute. This is a body lotion, and ingredients wise it has coconut cream, muru butter, shea butter, coconut oil, pineapple juice, rose oil, lemongrass oil, tangerine juice, geranium oil. I'm excited to smell it. Let's give it a go. Has it got a colour to it? No. Oh, that, oh, what is that smell? That is beautiful. It's got a very, oh, it's very thick, like uber thick, like pure thickness. Let's give it a smell. Oh, what is that? It smells like a sweet, like an orangey sweet. So good. Wow, absolutely love that. I'm not too keen on thick body lotions though. I'm not gonna lie. Sleepy body lotion is like the thickest I really enjoy, but I am really excited to try this because it smells delish. Love that, Lush. Good job. Next up we have... Oh, the Magic of Christmas Fun. I love Magic of Christmas. If this smells like the bubble bar that came out years ago, I might cry. I'm so excited. I gotta smell it before I read the ingredients, although there is glitter going everywhere. But oh, so good. It's like a spicy Christmas smell. There is glitter everywhere. Ingredients wise, this one has cornstarch, talc, juniper berry oil, tangerine oil, fennel oil, ylang ylang oil, and that's basically it. And it's a beautiful bronzy, shimmery fun bar. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you, fun bars for me, I don't love, like I don't really tend to use them, but I will use this for Christmas because I bet as a bubble bar, that will smell incredible. And again, beautiful label, love that. Moving very swiftly on, we have a shower gel. We haven't had a shower gel in a little while, I don't think. This is the Berry Berry Christmas shower gel. Again, this was released a few years ago, so I do still have a bottle of it, so I'm not like overly excited about it, but I do really love this shower gel. And ingredients wise, this one has cranberry infusion, sweet wild orange oil, blueberry juice, bergamot oil, olive leaf absolute, and I cannot remember for the life of me what this smells like. It's very fresh. It's a very fresh, like fruity, a little bit earthy kind of smell. It smells quite nice though. I'm surprised I actually like it because of the earthy notes to it, but it's a beautiful blue colour. Absolutely obsessed with this. And again, wonderful packaging. So I'm just, this box is so good. And last but definitely not least, we have a bath bomb. This is the Pearl de Sel bath bomb, which again, we did have a few years ago. I feel like this box has been really great in terms of the products, but also there are 3 products here that have been released before. So I don't really know how I feel about that. I like the kitchen boxes to be more like exclusive and different and brand new, but this smells like snow cake soap. And on the app it says, warming and comforting, bathe in the classic almond scent of snow cake as pearls of sea salt release and soften the sweet water. That smells unbelievable. I'm not too sure how to see the ingredients though. I feel like there's no way of me seeing it, but it smells like snow cake soap. Almondy, really sweet, cakey. It's really good. I love that. And I do believe it goes gold, but I can't quite remember. Or blue. There's like a bit of blue residue on this. Maybe it goes blue. Can't remember. It smells good though. Really enjoying it. So excited to use it. This box has been unreal. So that is everything for the December Lush kitchen box. I cannot believe that we are now going to be going into 2022. I am still in shock, to be honest. I don't know how we've been doing these boxes for about 8 months already. It's absolutely insane. So I hope you guys have been enjoying this journey. I am so excited to receive next month's box, and it will be near on my birthday, which is insane. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I absolutely love this box. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items, including the puzzle, which I think is just such a nice touch, especially with Christmas coming and everything. It's nicer to have a few more bits in there. So I really am impressed with this box. 10 out of 10 Lush, honestly. This box was amazing. Obviously, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please make sure you do. We are on our way to 9.6 thousand, and as soon as I reach 10k, I will be releasing the winner of my giveaway. I am tempted to add another item in. Let me know down below what your thoughts are on that. But I really want to hit 10k soon, so make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and I will release the winner. So yeah, I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.